The Falcon Emirates ID Reader Air Mode revolutionizes data transfer by providing integration with multiple applications without requiring any additional programming. With just a quick scan, essential information is captured accurately and efficiently, eliminating the need for manual data entry. It seamlessly integrates with various applications like Excel, Salesforce, Zoho, Odoo, Oracle Financials, Microsoft Dynamics, web forms, desktop applications, Word, Notepad, and more, making it a powerful tool for businesses across industries, ensuring smooth workflows across different environments. The Smart Falcon settings screen empowers users to select the data they want to transfer and customize the way it is pushed, enabling businesses to meet specific operational needs. The intuitive settings enable easy configuration of data transfer preferences. This flexibility makes the Falcon Emirates ID Reader a truly versatile tool that adapts to various business environments. The Falcon Emirates ID Reader comes with a suite of powerful applications to extract, manage, and utilize data. These applications are tailored to meet the diverse needs of modern businesses, ensuring that every process is as efficient as possible. These applications leverage the reader's capabilities to automate tasks, improve data accuracy, and enhance overall efficiency. By integrating these tools, businesses can focus more on strategic initiatives rather than mundane administrative tasks. Enhance operations in visitor management, contact management, and HR processes. The visitor management application simplifies the registration process, making it quick and easy for visitors to check in. This not only improves the visitor experience, but also enhances security and record keeping. Collect and save visitor data directly from Emirates ID cards into a centralized database. Easily export the stored data to Excel or retrieve it for reporting or operational analysis, making it ideal for managing visitor records effectively. Streamline visitor record management and analysis. The contact management application helps businesses organize and manage their contacts efficiently, eliminating the need for manual data entry. This ensures that all contact information is up-to-date and easily accessible. Store and manage contact details by capturing Emirates ID data and saving it in a centralized database. Export the contact data to Excel or retrieve it for business use, ensuring an organized and efficient contact management process. Maintain a comprehensive and easily accessible contact database. The HR management application streamlines HR processes from employee onboarding to attendance tracking. This allows HR teams to focus on more strategic tasks, such as talent development and employee engagement. Optimize HR operations by capturing and saving employee data from Emirates ID cards directly into a centralized database. With options for on-demand retrieval and data export, this application supports payroll, employee records management, and other essential HR functions. Enhance efficiency in payroll, employee records management, and other HR tasks. These applications are a testament to our commitment to providing comprehensive solutions. They are designed to adapt to the evolving needs of businesses, ensuring long-term success. They empower businesses to automate tasks, reduce errors, and free up valuable time and resources. By adopting these applications, businesses can achieve greater productivity and operational excellence. The Falcon Emirates ID Reader is compatible with all major operating systems and programming languages, ensuring that it can be easily integrated into existing workflows. This makes it an ideal solution for businesses of all sizes and technical capabilities, from startups to large enterprises. Integration is seamless regardless of the existing IT infrastructure, allowing for quick deployment and minimal disruption. This versatility makes it a valuable tool for a wide range of applications, from KYC verification to customer onboarding, and even secure access control. The Falcon Emirates ID Reader is more than just a device. It's a gateway to a more efficient and productive future, enabling businesses to streamline their operations. By embracing this technology, businesses in the UAE can unlock new possibilities and achieve greater success, driving innovation and growth in the region.